For almost 50 years, HCI has been on a mission to connect the world through innovative cabling solutions. The journey began in 1975 as a textile exporter that transformed in 1982 into supplying telephone accessories to the US under license from AT&T. Later, in 1991, HCI pivoted to produce network connectors. Capitalizing on the rise of the Internet, HCI formed an R&D team in 2014.
HCI implements the TL 9000 standards, which takes the ISO 9001 quality management system as the basic structure and focuses on the requirements in the telecommunications industry.
External audits are conducted annually by SGS Taiwan to improve operational efficiency. Integrating both customer and supplier needs forms our core capability. Providing OEM and white label services for branded vendors and distributors through our network connectors is the business demand. HCI's self-developed products are all patented by the USPTO. They are periodically tested by UL Solutions Taiwan for safety compliance and apply the ETL verified programs administered by Intertac quarterly for the consistent quality of transmission performance. All the staff in HCI focus on ESG development and aims to become a bridge between customers and suppliers that delivers mutual satisfaction. We try to be a benefit corporation for the world and hope you are happy with us in the journey.